Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get rid of Temu messages. So let's get right into it. Now, to get rid of those messages, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to edit your permissions on your account. Now, you can easily do that both on the web version or on the mobile version, depends on what you want. However, what you can do is go into your account if you're logged in, and go over into if this wants to work correctly, you just need to go into notifications. Now, to find the notification settings on the mobile version, you just need to click on the U icon at the bottom middle of your screen, and then after you do that, click on the gear icon, which is a hexagonal gear shape in the top right, and then you'll be able to access your settings and then go into notifications. Now, as you'll see, you'll have promotions via SMS, email, and WhatsApp. They'll have order updates via email, which I do recommend you keep on. They'll have chat messages via SMS or email, and other permissions such as that. Now, to turn them off, wherever it says on, just click on edit and make sure all of the sliders are turned to the left and that they're grayed out. And after you do that, those messages should pretty much disappear. And that is pretty much all you need to do. It is as simple as that. Now, if they still continue coming, for example on email, you can easily just enter that, the most recent email you have gotten, and scroll down to the bottom of it. And once you get to the bottom of the email, you'll see a link which says unsubscribe, and you can very easily unsubscribe from any sort of newsletter which you might have subscribed to on Temu by accident or on purpose. And then if you do that, then those newsletter messages will stop coming and you should be good to go. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.